Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add members in ClickUp. First, we are going to expand the sidebar by clicking on the sidebar icon at the top left part of the page. Once we have expanded it, you should be able to see your spaces at the bottom part. And what we're going to do is to hover through a space that you want to invite members to and click on this three-dotted icon beside it. From here, let's click on sharing and permissions at the bottom. And you can then have the space to invite by name or email, so input their name or email in here. And once you have done that, just click on invite. And you can also share spaces with guests, convert them to members or limited members. Once you have added people into your space, you can then also see it here and see their permissions and roles within this window as well. And once you have invited them, they should be able to receive an invite through their email, and you should ask them to accept that invite so they can enter your space within ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.